Plug in and power up. This durably designed USB-C cable with a lightning connector is compatible with USB PD, making it an ideal companion for USB PD chargers. Strengthened inside and out, DuraTek cables last 10x longer than standard cables. Laser-welded connectors resist breakage, while Aramid fibers and a tightly woven jacket come together for a supremely durable cable. Thoughtfully designed with a leather strap that perfectly complements the cable's chic look while keeping it organized and tidy. Start charging and syncing in style. Package includes 1x Belkin Boost Charge USB-C cable with lightning connector plus strap, made with DuraTek, based on internal bend cycle test when compared to standard cable's fast charge feature on your iPhone 8 or later, charging up to 50% in 30 minutes when paired with an 18W or higher USB-C power adapter. Charge time varies with environmental factors. Actual results will vary. Top reviews from the United States. Great cable so far. I have only been using this cable for about a week or so, but it seems like it is very durable and will stand the test of time. You can tell it is a quality product as soon as you feel it. Also love the strap it comes with to secure the cable when you need to wrap it up and take it on the go with you. Very convenient.